जो भी घटना घटी विनायक उसका पूरा खर्चा देगा. तो
I've asked her insurance and she's like, है but तुमसे लूंगी.
वैलिड.
चलो.
पार्किंग लाइट्स ब्रेक. भाई चल भाई, कुछ हुआ नहीं गाड़ी को, मैं बता रही हूँ, मैं जला दूंगी सबको.
Next topic, please.
You have a face for the radio, Vinayak, you know what I mean. Hello everybody, I'm Kamini
And I'm Vinayak.
and we are Podneeti. Welcome to our podcast. Hello everybody, we have two wonderful guests on the pod today who very kindly agreed to do an episode with us. And we already did an episode with them on cinema. If you haven't seen, please do go check it out. We have Akash and Shruti on the pod today with us. And we're just continuing our conversation about cinema in general. With cinema, there's a lot of mystery around it and how it's made and all of that. But I also feel, what is cinema without a little gossip? So
Are we going to talk about the stuff that has been happening in this year, like the people getting caught and stuff like that?
yes, but not in detail.
And
And
take names. Yeah, we can. Names
हाँ,
we can
I mean,
discuss
it is called the Kartik Aaryan scam now. तो क्या ही बोल.
They have given it a name like properly, Kartik Aaryan scam.
Yeah, Karan Aujla gate, cheating gate of 2026. No, but do you guys keep up with gossip? What are your thoughts on this one?
Some of it, and well, with this all Kartik Aaryan stuff, I heard about it. It's sounded a little disturbing if it's true, but I don't really keep up with Bollywood stuff because nowadays it's just too overwhelming. So
Valid.
And I think mostly all of them are PR stunts only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But why would you have PR stunt that makes you look like a
No,
pedophile?
PR stunt from some other people who wants to blame Badnaam
Ah,
अच्छा जी ऐसा है क्या
you.
okay.
Like that.
Yeah, that makes a little sense. But so I also get, जैसे अभी हो रहा है कि people on Reddit are just coming like, should I also out someone? I feel like if they're not in a relationship or married or whatever, or doing something morally wrong, then it's fine to DM somebody on Instagram, right? Why are you just outing people that have messaged you?
And I think most of it is like just to get famous, like just to get
Yes,
views.
yes. And I think अब तो उस पे counter narratives भी बन रहे हैं कि नहीं, they're nice because they unfollowed me. And you know, no, we're not taking names.
ये फंस गया सीएम.
I don't want
Just-
Maliks and Malkins coming for us, but
just because he wanted to
his wife happy.
Boti khush.
yeah. So we're not doing any of that. But anyway, so my point still being, this is one part of it. But how you said PR, how, like, you spend a little time in Mumbai, both of you, right? How evident is PR, or how real is it in everyday lives?
Yeah. So for the PR from the movie side of things, it is kind of very integral today
Mm-hmm.
because you are trying to find a piece of audience's time from their entire thing. So you have to make it seem as organic as possible. And in the attempt to make it organic, it kind of goes into extremes. So it goes into extremes, and right now, like, he doesn't necessarily look for gossip, but it kind of makes your way to it. It kind of
Fair.
comes my way whether I like it or not. So
But
it's
I think that's how it works, no?
yeah, that's how it
That's
works.
what they're trying
how,
to do also.
That's how
Yeah.
the content works.
Yeah, so that is what I'm saying. It has evolved to such a level where you can't tell what is organic and what is a PR stunt at
Valid.
that matter.
And I think now they know who all are the gossip mongers and who all are interested in these stuff.
No, interested, but that's what she's saying, right? कि मैं interested नहीं भी हूँ तो भी
भी
मुझे
आ
gossip पता चल जाती है.
a few years ago, there used to be channels like Zoom and all.
Ah.
And if you are
actively going,
if you were interested in that, you would go and
सास
watch
बहू और
it.
साजिश.
मेरे जिगर के टुकड़े को नजर लग गई है नजर लग गई
Yeah. 24 and
yeah. But now, वही ना, उस टाइम तो वो जो चैनल देख रहे थे उन्हीं को gossip पता चल रही थी. अब मैं जाने अनजाने मैं भी consume कर रही हूँ
Exactly,
gossip. And I think that's for relevance, very
Yeah.
rightly said by that. But ये तो ठीक है, to get your movies ahead, you do this organic or inorganic machinery. But movies in itself are very, I feel, mysterious, and how they're made is very, मतलब जितना पढ़ा है या interviews से, real versus real तो है.
Real versus real is a thing.
Is a thing.
हाँ.
तो
It happens with us also. हमने भी तो रील देख के ही थोड़ा सोचा कि ये कर लेते हैं पॉडकास्ट में व्यूज आ जाएंगे, नहीं आ रहे हैं,
नहीं आ रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहे हैं।
अब आएंगे अब आएंगे।
नहीं, झूठ बोल।
उम्मीद बनी रहनी
यस यस इंसान का कर्तव्य है कर्म
हमारे
करना.
पास टाइमलाइन है बहुत लंबी, बहुत
Yeah.
फ्री टाइम है हमारे
बहुत
पास,
free
don't
time.
worry.
So when we say real versus real, it is very evidently true. Well, in simple terms, shooting is very boring, but films are interesting. If you have to have knowledge and interest or in the craft of filmmaking to enjoy those 15-16 hours on set
15-16 hours is a
Yeah.
real thing.
Yeah,
मतलब,
it is.
I think 15 hours per day, right?
per day on schedules. You have to work at least 14 hours.
Is it true they make you do the same? So I know what cuts are and I know retakes and all of that.
Because we do.
But same cheese, itni bar, same delivery.
Absolutely it is, and it gets frustrating after a point for everyone. And one more thing about real versus real, that a lot of celebrities which we see and we have a perception of them, when you meet them in person, a lot of time it's not true. That's why they say don't
Never meet your heroes. Yeah.
Because I worked with one of very prominent stars which I have admired for a very long time, but when I was actually on set with him, I lost all respect for him.
Give us gossip later.
Yeah.
Not
Okay.
for the cam, it's for the fam.
If you want to know, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll tell you who the person was and what happened with Akash. Via DM.
I just said a line.
Mhm.
If it's not,
ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं, भाई ये क्या हो रहा है भाई?
it's for the fam.
Love that. Okay.
Please comment
Okay.
the title.
हाँ, if not for the cam, only for the fam. ठीक है. With your experience in Mumbai, Akash, because the art of filmmaking is of course a lot more different, but I still feel like at this heart of it, what makes a good or bad movie, of course a lot of things are involved, I'm aware, but story, I think stories and writers and what the movie is about becomes very important. And I hear you doing a few things with writers and for the writers in the industry. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, well, writing is the most important. Like, if the story is not engaging, why would you would watch a film? Like, how you would walk away from the film,
Valid.
Exactly.
right? So, the content has to be strong enough, good enough, engaging enough to make sure that even if there is no star on the screen, you are still sitting and watching. Like a lot of Malayalam films, which we were discussing the other day, they don't have big names, but they have content,
Correct.
which makes you engage to the film, which makes you love
Absolutely.
the film.
Yeah.
So in our prominent Hindi industry in India, that is taking a backseat.
Mm-hmm.
That has always taken a backseat.
Yeah.
No, we've done great stories
We've
earlier.
done great
in
stories,
between,
but
in
I
between.
think we are
Haan.
still in the era of mass movie, mass
Haan,
star,
true.
mass
After
stuff.
Bahubali, it has come back. Yeah.
Haan.
So so in today's age, it's all spectacle and all. And from writer's perspective, because I have spent some time there as a writer and I wanted to be a filmmaker, the situation is very hard and tough. The reality on ground is very tough. So writers, newcomer writers, even have to literally beg to people to even look at their scripts, no matter how small it is or how long it is. So it's very tough. They don't get paid properly. They don't get credit sometimes.
Is it?
Yeah, a lot of times. A lot of small time writers ghost write for big names, big writers, and they don't even get the credit, not even the money.
You don't
So
even get the money.
No,
no
bro.
proper compensation at all.
That's what
So
he's
it's like, it's
saying.
basically like script चोरी करना.
हाँ.
Yeah,
अरे बाप रे ये तो धोती खोल रहा है
in a way. So because of these things are there, I came up with an idea. Sorry.
Sorry.
She had
Yeah,
a little heart attack because एक auto आ गया था सामने.
So yeah, because of all these problems, I came up with an idea which I am currently developing with few of my partners. And the idea is basically to give writers a voice in India, not only Bollywood, complete all pan India, so that anyone who is writing a film even in a small town can get an opportunity to get it made as a proper film or a web series.
How is it going to work?
So I can't reveal a lot right now, but it's
Can you give us this?
Huh?
हाँ, दे
Yeah,
रहे हैं,
it's
दे रहे हैं.
Yeah, so the gist is basically that we will give you an environment where you can put your script with all the security and all the protocols, IP protection and everything, and the producers can discover your project, discover your scripts, and if they like it, they can make a movie out of it.
That's great.
Interesting.
With proper compensation and security.
Wow. So you're basically digitalizing this entire process.
Yeah, which is
So there's
currently
less
nothing like this
Uh-huh.
in India right
Valid. And there's
Okay, that's great.
yeah.
I would like to.
Huh.
I think.
No,
from the-
so with this, I'm sure script writers and movie is one thing, but I think that can work for writers as well, right? मतलब जो अपनी book publish करवाना चाह रहा है,
yeah, definitely.
So for them also, if any publisher becomes interested, that's a
Exactly,
great platform to sort of build on. That sounds
Definitely,
very
we
interesting.
can have that as well. Yeah.
So by that, I have from the past 6-7 months I have been writing,
Really?
and I think I've right now
Writing what? Prescriptions?
I have completed I think around 4,500 words to a non-fictional or fictional, something in between kind of a thing. So, yeah, that we can discuss terms.
Why not?
And if you want to make a film out of it, we can also discuss that.
Wow.
Debut ही चेतन भगत से कराया.
Chetan Bhagat gets a lot of shit, but because of him, a lot of people read in India.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Valid.
He has a very basic English, basic thing.
Yeah.
सब कुछ अच्छा. 2-3 great stories he has.
I would like to disagree and move on very quickly from this topic. And yeah, that's a great thing that you're doing, Akash. And I think we can't wait for whenever things go live, we'd like to be the first people on the ground doing interviews for you guys.
Sure.
So let us know about that.
Definitely.
But okay, so because we're also closing the episode, I feel like we've spoken about cinema so much. There's still so much conversation that can happen around cinema and the art of filmmaking. But अगर एंड में बस ये बताना हो कि ऐसी कोई एक लाइन किसी कहानी से, किसी मूवी से, किसी बुक से, किसी सिनेमा से that has stayed with you or will stay with you throughout life, what is that one line?
For me, it would be a line from Detective Vyomkesh Bakshi. कि इस दुनिया में ऐसे ही कुछ भी नहीं होता. That has stayed with me. That everything happens for a reason, and even if it's tough time, bad times, it's happening for a reason.
इस दुनिया में ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं होता. That's
It's
lovely.
okay. It's great, huh?
What is yours, Vinayak?
I am a very big Shah Rukh Khan fan, and I think this line everyone would
High
relate
five to
with.
that.
Everyone would relate to this. बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होते रहती हैं. अब सब अपना नाम लास्ट में लगा लो. सेनोरिटा की जरूरत नहीं.
तुम्हें बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें करनी है, विनायक.
मेरे तो होते रहती है.
और on that note, Shruti, what's yours?
So I didn't get to mention the fact that when he mentioned Zindagi Munna Milegi Dobara, that is also one of my favorite films. And the poetry that everyone
Farhan.
knows.
Zinda Ho Tum.
Zinda
Zinda
Ho Tum. So that is kind of, I personally related to it because of the personal experiences, but it kind of stayed with me over the years. And the way that it has been narrated, the way it has been shot, the way everything, how it connects
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
to everything in the movie, not only in the movie, but it kind of connects in your real life.
Yeah.
You kind of sometimes you're living a moment in your life and you can hear that play in the background in your ear that to zinda ho tum. This
So
is
Zinda
what
Ho Tum is the line that
Yeah.
तो जिंदा हो.
तो जिंदा हो तुम.
so that kind of is always resonating inside me.
Yeah,
So
I'm gonna end with तो जिंदा हो तुम as the last one.
ये podcast देख रहे हैं तो जिंदा हो.
तो जिंदा हो तुम. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. तो जिंदा हो तुम is great, but I think brilliantly written and wonderfully. सांस लेते रहो, बस सांस लेते
What's yours?
रहो. One line that stayed with me throughout.
which you did not think.
I'm going to call back Salamish because I'm obsessed. But in that, there's a thing where Vidya Balan's forgotten her memories, and John Abraham, she's crying about it कि मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है तुम्हारे बारे में, हम कैसे वापस हो सकते हैं साथ में and all of that. And not just in a romantic relationship, but in general in life, he very calmly tells her, तो क्या हुआ कि अगर तुम्हें कुछ याद नहीं है, हम नई यादें बना लेंगे. And I love that. And I think that stayed with me कि कुछ चीज़ें भूल जाना भी अच्छा होता है क्योंकि तुम फिर नए बना सकते हो यादें. And that's the story of free will. So yeah, I think that stayed with me कि तो हम नई यादें बना लेंगे.
Shout out to 51st Dates.
Valid.
Amazing film.
Every day. But yeah, so that was the episode, guys, and we were trying to end on as an epic thing, and which is why we will have a voice cut of each of us saying the lines again. But yeah, thank you for watching.